Assalamu alaikum dear aspirants. I hope you all are doing well. So in this video I'm going to share with you the second part 2 of past paper of Sindh Sales Tax Officer SSTO for Sindh Revenue Board SRB. Part 1 मैंने already upload कर दिया जिसमें section 1 English MCQs और section 2 Mathematics and Logic के MCQs cover किए हैं. अब इस वाले section में हम लोग cover करेंगे remaining 3 sections. So let's proceed for that. ओके सो दिस इज़ सेक्शन 3 अकाउंटिंग जो कि 25 MCQs पे मुश्तमिल होगा. 25 मार्क्स ही होंगे इसके. सो ये जो पेपर है पास पेपर ये 2020 का है, मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. सो लेट्स प्रोसीड. The very first MCQ is that which of the following best explains the relationship expressed in the accounting equation assets is equal to liabilities plus capital. Option A, it demonstrates that profits directly increase liabilities and decrease assets. Option B, it represents the dual aspect concept showing that every financial transaction affects at least two elements of the equation to maintain balance. Option C, it implies that the total resources of a business are always greater than the claims against them. Option D, it states that expenses and revenues must always be equal to maintain equilibrium in financial records. So the correct answer is option B. The next question is debit what comes in, credit what goes out, relates to which account? Number A, nominal account. Option B, real account. Option C, personal account. Option D, representative account. So the correct answer is option B, that is real account. The next question is which of the following is a nominal account? Option number A, cash. Option B, machinery. Option C, rent expense. Option D, debtors. So the correct answer is rent expense. The next question is trial balance is prepared to Option A, find net profit. Option B, check arithmetical accuracy. Option C, prepare balance sheet. Or option D, record transactions. So here the correct answer is option B, that is check arithmetical accuracy. MCQ 5 is that closing stock is shown in option A, trading account only. Option B, balance sheet only. Option C, both trading account and balance sheet. Option D, profit and loss account. So the correct answer is option C, that is both trading account and balance sheet. The next question is which of the following is a current asset? Option A, furniture. Option B, land. Option C, inventory. Option D, capital. So the correct answer is option C, that is inventory. The next question is income received in advance is a Option A, liability. Option B, asset. Option C, expense. Option D, revenue. The correct answer is option A, that is liability. The next question is outstanding salary is classified as option A, asset. Option B, liability. Option C, expense. Option D, income. So the correct answer is option B, that is liability. The next question is depreciation is charged on Option A, fixed assets. Option B, current assets. Option C, intangible assets. Option C, debtors. So the correct answer is option A, that is fixed assets. The next question is purchase of goods for cash is recorded in Option A, sales book. Option B, purchase book. Option C, cash book. Option D, general book. So the correct answer is cash book, option C. The next question is which of the following errors does not affect the trial balance? Option A, error of omission. Option B, error of commission. Option C, error of principle. Option D, casting error. The correct answer is option C, that is error of principle. The next question is goods withdrawn by owner for personal use is called option A, drawings. Option B, capital. Option C, expenses. Option D, purchase. The correct answer is option A, that is drawing. The next question is prepaid rent is a option A, current liability. Option B, current asset. Option C, expense. Option D, income. The correct answer is option B, that is current asset. The next question is the rule of nominal account is option A, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Option B, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Option C. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C, that is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. The next question is, bad debts recovered are recorded in option A. Trading account, option B. Profit and loss account, option C. Balance sheet, option D. Cash book only. The correct answer is option B, that is profit and loss account. MCQ 16 is about bank reconciliation statement is prepared by option A. Customer, option B. Banker, option C. Accountant, option D. Auditor. The correct answer is option A, that is customer. Which document is used for recording credit purchases? Option A. Invoice, option B. Debit note, option C. Credit note, option D. Cash memo. The correct answer is option A, that is invoice. The next question is, provision for doubtful debts is created to option A. Reduce assets, option B. Cover probable losses, option C. Increase liabilities, option D. Show profit. The correct answer is cover probable losses. The next question is, capital introduced by the owner increases. Option A. Liabilities, option B. Assets, option C. Expenses, option D. Drawings. The correct answer is B, that is assets. The 20th question is, carriage inward is shown in option A. Profit and loss account, option B. Trading account, option C. Balance sheet, option D. Trial balance. The correct answer is option B, that is trading account. The 21st question is, carriage outward is A. Direct expense, B. Indirect expense, C. Income, D. Asset. The correct answer is B, that is indirect expense. Which of the following is an example of intangible asset? A. Building, B. Furniture, C. Patent, D. Machinery. The correct answer is C, that is patent. The next question is, when goods are sold on credit, which account is debited? A. Sales, B. Cash, C. Debtor, D. Creditor. The correct answer is debtor, that is C. 24. If an asset is overvalued, it will A. Inflate profit, B. Reduce profit, C. No effect, D. None. The correct answer is A, that is inflate profit. 25th question is, the difference between total assets and total liabilities is A. Income, B. Profit, C. Capital, D. Drawings. The correct answer is C, that is capital. Now the section 4 is about economics, and that also carries 25 MCQs and equivalent to 25 marks. So let's proceed. The first question is, economics is a study of A. Money and banking, B. Production, distribution and consumption of goods and services, C. Only business activities, D. Market prices only. So the correct answer is B, that is production, distribution and consumption of goods and services. The next question is, the law of demand states that other things being equal, A. Price and quantity demanded move in the same direction, B. Price and quantity demanded move in opposite directions, C. Supply creates its own demand, D. Demand creates its own supply. The correct answer is B, that is price and quantity demanded move in opposite directions. The next question is, which of the following is a macroeconomic variable? A. Individual income, B. Price of one product, C. National income, D. Cost of production. The correct answer is C, national income. The next question is, opportunity cost means A. The cost of producing one more unit, B. The benefit of the next best alternative foregone, C. Total cost of production, D. Accounting cost. The correct answer is B, that is the benefit of the next best alternative foregone. The next question is, GDP stands for A. Gross domestic profit, B. General domestic product, C. Gross domestic product, D. General development plan. Correct answer is C, that is gross domestic product. The next question is, elasticity of demand measures A. Responsiveness of demand to price changes, B. Responsiveness of supply to price changes, C. Cost variation, D. Government regulation. The correct answer is A, that is responsiveness of demand to price changes. The 7th question is, when price increases and total revenue also increases, demand is A. Elastic, B. Inelastic, C. Unitary elastic, D. Perfectly elastic. So the correct answer is B, that is inelastic. The eighth question is the factor of production that earns wages is A. Capital, B. Land, C. Labor, D. Entrepreneur. So the correct answer is C, that is labor. The ninth question is the law of diminishing marginal utility states that A. Total satisfaction always increases, B. Utility decreases as consumption increases, C. Demand decreases with income, D. None of these. Correct answer is B, that is utility decreases as consumption increases. The next question is perfect competition assumes A. Few sellers and many buyers, B. Monopoly power, C. Large number of buyers and sellers, D. Government regulation only. So the correct answer is C, that is large number of buyers and sellers. The 11th question is the difference between total revenue and total cost is A. Output, B. Profit, C. Demand, D. Supply. The correct answer is B, that is profit. The 12th question is monopoly means A. One buyer and many sellers, B. One seller and many buyers, C. Many sellers, D. Many buyers and seller. The correct answer is B, that is one seller and many buyers. The next question is aggregate demand includes A. Only government expenditure, B. Consumption, investment, government spending and net exports, C. Imports and exports only, D. Private savings. The correct answer is B, that is consumption, investment, government spending and net exports. The 14th question is inflation means A. Continuous increase in prices, B. Decrease in purchasing power, C. Increase in production, D. Both A and B. The correct answer is both A and B, that is continuous increase in prices and decrease in purchasing power. The next question is fiscal policy deals with A. Money supply and interest rates, B. Taxation and government spending, C. Exchange rate management, D. Stock market regulation. The correct answer is B, that is taxation and government spending. The next question is monetary policy is controlled by A. Ministry of Finance, B. State Bank of Pakistan, C. Planning Commission, D. IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. So the correct answer is B, State Bank of Pakistan. The 17th question is the main function of the central bank is to A. Print money only, B. Control credit and regulate banks, C. Lend money to individuals, D. Manage fiscal deficit. The correct answer is B, that is control credit and regulate banks. The 18th question is GDP measured at current prices is called A. Real GDP, B. Nominal GDP, C. Net GDP, D. Adjusted GDP. The correct answer is B, that is nominal GDP. The next question is unemployment resulting from economic recession is called A. Frictional unemployment, B. Structural unemployment, C. Cyclical unemployment, D. Seasonal unemployment. The correct answer is C, that is cyclical unemployment. The 20th question is when total imports exceed total exports, the result is A. Trade surplus, B. Trade deficit, C. Balanced trade, D. Economic boom. The correct answer is boom, that is trade deficit. The 21st question is which of the following is a public good? A. Cars, B. National defense, C. Mobile phones, it's mobile phones, D. Electricity. The correct answer is B, that is national defense. The next question is the main objective of WTO, that is World Trade Organization, is to A. Restrict global trade, B. Promote free trade among nations, C. Increase import duties, D. Support domestic monopolies. The correct answer is promote free trade among nations. The 33rd question is the Phillips curve shows the relationship between A. Inflation and unemployment, B. Demand and supply, C. Wages and productivity, D. Investment and consumption. The correct answer is A, that is inflation and unemployment. The next question is fiscal deficit means A. Excess of government income over expenditure, B. Excess of government expenditure over income, C. Equal income and expenditure, D. None of these. The correct answer is B, that is excess of government expenditure over income. The next question is the invisible hand theory was given by A. John Maynard Keynes, B. Adam Smith, C. Karl Marx, D. Paul Samuelson. So the correct answer is B, that is Adam Smith. So this is the end of section 4, that was the economics. Now we are going towards section 5, that is information technologies may IT computer related questions है, and that will be of based on 10 MCQs and equivalent to 10 marks. So the first MCQ of IT and computer related section is The shortcut key used to indent it's indent the paragraph MS Word is the option A is Control plus A, B Control plus L, C Control plus M, D Control plus I. The correct option is option C, that is Control plus M. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स जो है ना कंफ्यूज होते हैं रिगार्डिंग कंट्रोल प्लस एल. सो इंटेंट पैराग्राफ करने के लिए जो है ना वो कंट्रोल एल यूज़ नहीं होता, वो लेफ़्ट अलाइंड हो जाएगा आपका टेक्स्ट. इंटेंट वो होता है बेसिकली जो पैराग्राफ की फर्स्ट लाइन होती है वो थोड़ा सा स्पेस के साथ आती है, तो यहाँ पे उसको यूज़ करने के कंट्रोल प्लस एम यूज़ किया जाता है. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज इन MS Excel द इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ अ रो इन अ कॉलम इज कॉल्ड A, table, B, cell, C, field, D, sheet. The correct answer is B, that is cell. The next question is, which of the following is the common language for artificial intelligence? A, Java, B, Python, C, C++, D, Lisp. The correct answer is B, that is Python. The next question is, in MS Word, which tab contains the hyperlink option? A, review, B, home, C, insert, D, view. So the correct answer is C, that is insert. The insert tab consists of the hyperlink option. The next question is, what is the shortcut key for spelling to check in document? A, F1, option B, F2, option C, F5, option D, F7. The correct answer is option D, that is F7. The next question is, in Excel, which function is used to find the average of a range of numbers? A, sum brackets, B, count brackets, C, average brackets, D, max brackets. So the correct answer is C, that is average brackets. The next question is, control unit of a digital computer is often called the A, clock, B, nerve center, C, main memory, D, all of them. The correct answer is option B, that is nerve center. The next question is, in MS Word, to align text to center, the shortcut key is A, Control plus R, option B, Control plus J, option C, Control plus L, option D, Control plus E. The correct answer is option D, that is Control plus E. The question number 9 is, where does the file name appear on the MS Word window? Option A, home bar, option B, status bar, option C, title bar, option D, ribbon. The correct answer is option C, that is title bar. So the last MCQ of this past paper of SSTU is, in Excel, #div/0 exclamation mark error means A, division by 0, option B, invalid function, option C, missing argument, option D, file not saved. So the correct answer is option A, that is division by 0. So this is all about the past paper of SSTU SRB. So in my next videos, I'm going to share with you past paper of Public License Officer SRB. So stay tuned and best of luck.